Hello everyone, Namaste from Tarot Tales 369. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you for tuning in. And if you're watching and liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for further notifications. This is a general timeless reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest for others to resonate. But if you are interested in one on one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Meanwhile, if you have any query for this video, you can always comment down. So I've already pulled three cards, and this reading is for the Taurus. So we'll look for their career, love, and money things. So Taurus, your career is looking very good. Showing rapid progress and quick developments. But you have to be grounded. But that's what Tauruses are. They are very much grounded. They are earth energies. If things were halted, in the past and were moving slow because it is earth energy, with the Taurus. But now they are moving swiftly, and you are getting those news about that interview call. Maybe you were waiting for the job offer, a new project, messages, or approvals are coming in quickly. So be ready to act accordingly, and opportunities and new works are like shooting up at you one after the other, just like those ones here. Unlimited choices coming in. Also, you may be doing work travel, I'm seeing. So those trips are also coming up. Things in your career may be suddenly speeding up, Taurus, after that pause. And in other ways, also, it seems like your steady work ethics, that you have maintained so far, because Taurus have this perseverance. So they keep working, slow. The process is slow, but it's steady. So it is finally going to pay you off, and results are coming to light very soon. So your career is looking very promising here. And when we talk about here love, so what to say of these two of cups, exchanging equally the emotional, loving energy. So it's a very positive sign, and a very apt card for your love reading. Also, that is that mutual attraction taking place if you are not yet in any relationship, and the beginning of a deep romantic partnership is visible here. Also, Taurus energy, it becomes very powerful message with these two of cups, because Tauruses are earth, and they are very practical, grounded, and very loyal, and they believe in long time stability. So it's a very good card here. Uh, a relationship, of balance, harmony, and equal give and take of that emotional bond, and emotional investment is seen here. And if you were already in this relationship, so now it has that potential for long term commitment, and the bond is looking like renewed, that fresh energy is there. Anyways, Taurus are ruled by Venus, so that thing has to be there with them. And if you are building this relationship, so the other person may feel like you are taking a little more time, but that's your nature, because Taurus emphasizes patience, taking time to build something real, because they believe in real, they believe in stable things. So they take that time to analyze things, and they have that patience inbuilt. So this is the connection of emotional honesty and reliability is there. So whether you are starting something new, or you were already in that relationship, there's definitely that emotional alignment and potential for uh, long lasting partnership. And when we talk about your money, so it's looking very good, that balanced four of wands. and it's looking like you're celebrating something. Since Tauruses are very much into luxurious things and parties, and they are very fond of eating, and they want to be comfortable at all times. So your money, I think you have recently got compensated for what you have invested in so far by working hard, and you have got that it's paying you back, or you might have achieved that milestone. You may be reaching a goal and paying off your debt, that was long pending, or maybe you have saved enough, your target was achieved, or anything you have invested in, and now it's time for the returns. So uh, it's looking like that celebration. And it's not just about money coming in, Taurus. It's that it's giving you that sense of security and comfort, because when we are uh, stable financially, so we have this free mind and comfort. So that aligns very well with the Taurus, because they are happy when everything's stable, and it also looks like you shared the financial success. Maybe your family business, or you have invested in a home, or a joint financial venture, a kind of tie up. So it's very much looking like that also. So it's good to celebrate your achievements and enjoy them, but also maintain that financial, mindfulness. Uh, Use this period of your success, to gain new insights and new ideas on how you can invest more, and you can also invest these in improving your home, maybe, or your surrounding. Okay, maybe that renovation you wanted to do. So don't let this success get on your mind, Taurus, or pull you into that overspending state, or make you spend thrift, although Tauruses, value quality over quantity. So enjoy this phase, and this financial comfort and success you have earned, definitely through that consistent efforts and your perseverance. Yeah, that money is looking good. Enjoy your success party, but also be, wise on how you can make it more sustainable for the future. And now we'll take a card of advice from our guides and ancestors and angels. So let's pull out one card and see what's the final message for Taurus today. Guides and angels, please give me one card. What advice you want to give to the Taurus today? A card of advice. Please give me one card, guides and angels. Choose me as a medium, and please give me one card of advice you want to give to the Taurus today. For okay. Oh, very good card here. Holy Amethyst. It speaks of divine alchemy. Okay. Move beyond current challenges and focus on what you desire. Very apt message as a closing message for this Taurus reading. So, in context of your reading, the cards we have got, this points to your growth, the celebration, and the momentum, all grounded by Taurus, a steady earthly energy. And amethyst also brings a higher spiritual perspective, it reminds you that you're transforming, you're alchemizing, and not just financially or emotionally, but energetically, and your intentions are powerful at the time. This is a reminder. So stay focused on what you truly desire, you know and Taurus energy helps you manifest through patience, because see, patience is the superpower of a Taurian, you know so focus and consistency is the key here. and patience, of course. And also let go of fear or any old patterns. If things are accelerating, you see, but becoming emotionally intense also with two of cups. So trust that you're exactly where you're meant to be. Don't get drawn away with that overwhelming energies around you. Also, it's time to connect with your inner alchemist, because you're alchemizing things in. So, take any challenging situation or any uncertainty, and you can turn it into growth now. You are in that state, and trust the process. Taurus, as they plant seeds and wait for them to bloom. So trust the timing of your manifestations, whatever you are putting energy into. Also, I'm seeing is some of you are drawn to amethyst as a crystal, so you can meditate with that. It will enhance your intuition power. So, as a final message, Holy Amethyst is saying that you are co-creating your future. So, alchemize it with love and intention. So that's what I have for you, Taurus, today. Hope you resonate with it. We'll meet you next time. Thank you for watching again, and that's it. Namaste.